And I'm proud to announce, before the end of my term, the Center for Medical and Medicare and Medicaid Services will update its guidance on HIV care, encouraging states to adopt the best practices using the latest science and technology. It matters. It matters.
President Joe Biden telling the nation on World AIDS Day that his administration is still actively addressing issues related to HIV and AIDS. Right here in the state of Michigan, more than 18,000 people are living with HIV, with nearly 700 new HIV cases reported last year. Good evening. I'm David Andrews.
And I'm Amaya Kuznicki. The state of Michigan is taking bold steps to curb the spread of HIV and to improve care for people living with the virus. News 10's Nia Jordan tells us how the state plans to reduce the number of new HIV infections by 90% by 2030.
I am honestly still shocked I'm standing here.
Why are you shocked that you're still standing here?
Because I know so very, very many people, friends, that have died over the years. That's why.
Kirk Raymond says he was diagnosed with HIV back in 1993.
It was rough in the beginning. There were very few medications, and the ones they did have were very toxic.
696 people were diagnosed with HIV in the state of Michigan in 2023, according to the state health department. To bring that number down, state health officials are working to expand HIV testing, develop more prevention programs, and provide better access to treatment.
We really need to rapidly increase testing. We need to increase the number of people who are at risk of HIV taking PrEP or HIV prevention medication.
Because when people who have HIV are in good care, McComber says they can't sexually transmit the virus to another person. She says the goal is to have less than 70 new HIV cases per year. Raymond says he works with the Lansing Area AIDS Network to end the stigma around HIV and AIDS.
It's always a topic of conversation that usually doesn't end well. I've gotten used to that.
In Lansing, Nia Jordan, News 10.
According to HIV.gov, about 1.2 million people in the U.S. have HIV, and about 13% do not know it and need testing. You should contact your doctor or local health department for confidential HIV testing and resources.